This is why I haven't posted. Now I can't be the only one that's struggling in this situation, trying to do a photo shoot or anything. So let's get a little bit creative. So I saw two photos that we can try to replicate. Maybe just one of them, but you got this one right there, or that one right there. One is Danny Batista. If you don't follow him on IG. You will learn a lot, especially if you want to learn Capture One and Photoshop work. And my other boy is Samuel Boret. He works with V Flat. He worked with Manny before, and I'm gonna still shout them out, Shutter Gurus, if they're still alive. But yeah, let's get a little creative. Now the issue will be, should I get my kids to be to model for me, or do this myself? Now I'm gonna try to keep this setup simple. 6400, 16 millimeter lens, the Sigma 1 version, and let's just throw the Explorer in there as well. Let's do some off-camera flash related work. All right, so we're outside. Might as well take advantage of the weather that's cool in the backyard. Relax, in the backyard. This is gonna be the main topic of this photo, I guess, with multiple photos taken. So we're gonna bracket a bunch of shots of myself. I'm thinking from 3 to 5, and that's if my son cooperates and is the main subject of throwing the toilet paper in the air, and me around that area, like jumping, you know, trying to get it like moss or something like that, or now OBJ. You can help me? Yeah? Okay. So, alright. So all you gotta do is throw it up. Got it? You're gonna stand right here.
And the name is George.
Alright, ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. You weren't ready? No.
Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with.
All right, I think that's it. Hold on, much better. So yeah, what do you thought about that photo? It's right there. Bam. Took a little bit of a while to edit, but yeah, this is what quarantine does to you. I never do those type of photos, or yeah, I really don't do those type of photos in general, but take advantage when you're quarantined, you're in your backyard, indoors, do it. Have fun. That's all from me, and I'm outie.
Yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again. Okay, alright. Coming in.